Hello, everybody, and welcome to Market Monday. I am your host, Joseph Legendary Musso, aka the Cryptowhisperer, here to talk to you about the crypto markets, and they have been amazing. So let's go ahead and dive right in and take a look. Here we have Big Daddy Biddy, Bitcoin finally making a move. Look at this beautiful double bottom here. We haven't even retested this double bottom. We just went, nope, we're going to go ahead and break through all of this resistance here. And then we're going to kind of hang out at the 23,000, 23,000 area. Now, this is very interesting that this is the area that we're hanging out. This is heavy resistance here too, all the way to the top of 25,000. And then we have a resistance again, 30,000. So if, and this is a big if here, but you know, my hopes are getting up a little bit. If we break through 23 and we break through 25, we have a nice long way to go before we hit 30,000 resistance. That would be amazing. So let's go ahead and look at the weekly chart here. So looking at the weekly chart, we have still the double bottom on the weekly, same as the daily. That's pretty awesome. And notice that we still have the same kind of resistant points here. Now, old resistance does turn into new support. So if we break above the 23 to 25,000 area, then that could be our new support, pushing us up to 30, and then eventually 37, and then 47, and then 69,000, and then to infinity and beyond. I could definitely still see Bitcoin going up to 100,000 plus. It's very, very plausible. This is a finite resource. There's not a lot of it, and it is getting smaller and smaller by the day. So because there's a finite supply and it's becoming more and more popular, that's the supply and demand, right? If there's less supply, then the demand gets higher. So just pay attention to that as we're going through. My buy signal has definitely said that we are in the right time to be kind of looking at purchasing. Obviously, you want to buy on down days, or at least I want to buy on down days. You push your own buttons and you're responsible for what you want to do. But that's what I generally do, is I buy on the down days and buy small. And then if it comes and retests all the way back down to 18,000, I'll buy much larger. If it does not retest and then just kind of hangs around here at the 21 to 23,000, then those are the areas that I would be making my purchases. But until then, I do want to kind of point this out too. This does look like an evening star reversal here. It's very possible that we could retest the 21,000 and come down to the 20,000 and retest that area. It's very, very possible. But, you know, Bitcoin blew through all the resistances that I put in before. So who knows? Ethereum is still making its way. It's pushing. It actually does not show an evening star reversal here for me. It looks like we pushed down a little bit. This is a nice little flag pattern that's forming, and I could definitely see it pushing through the resistance and maybe hitting around the 1700. Oops, sorry about that. Around the 1700 area. I could definitely see that being the new resistance, and you know, of course, then the resistance back into the. Oh man, I'm pushing wrong buttons today. Right into the 2000 area. Everything based off of this, and I think a big part of this push is because Ethereum is now opening up the ability for you to unlock your coins. That should be in March. So this is kind of like a push in that direction, and people are kind of buying with that in mind. New technologies coming out. It's interesting, and people are making their buys. ADA Cardano is making its nice little move here. It had a really strong dip and then it pushed itself out with a little V bottom. And because it had that nice little V bottom, I do think that there's going to be some momentum. I could see around 43 cents and possibly some resistance around 52 cents. So those are the areas to watch out for if you are trading these. Maybe those are the areas that maybe you want to put in your sell orders so that you can collect profit if you were buying down here. If you are just accumulating now and you're getting into it because it's now broke out of this downtrend pattern and it looks pretty delicious and kosher in that regard, then of course you want to set up your buy orders how you see fit. But I personally like to buy when there are down days like today, right? So that's kind of the idea behind all of that. Hopefully this is educational to you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know how I'm doing. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, stay safe and stay steady.